Colum.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, but I absolutely do not thank the Secretary of State for that statement. The British state murdered Pat Finucane, and the Secretary of State has failed miserably to do right by his family today. Does he realise that he is sending out a very clear message to all victims? And the message is this: if you want the truth about what happened to your loved ones, don't come looking for it here.
Look, I would say to Honourable Gentleman, I'm afraid I would say quite the opposite. What I'm saying very clearly is that there is a process we will go through. We want to ensure that we abide by our Article 2 obligations, that we meet our Article 2 obligations, and we will assess that again following this PSNI investigation and the Police Ombudsman's work. And that is a very clear message about following proper due process, letting those investigations work through to see what information we can bring out, and that ultimately the aim with all of the work we should be doing on legacy is to ensure that we secure information for families who have been waiting for that information for far too long.